To fix Instagram story highlights not loading. First, check your internet connection to ensure it is stable and working properly. A slow or unstable connection can cause the highlights to fail to load. Try restarting your router or switching to a different network to see if the issue persists. Next, check for any updates to the Instagram app and install the latest version. Sometimes, outdated apps can cause issues with loading story highlights. Open the App Store on your device, search for Instagram, and install any available updates. Another step is to clear the Instagram app cache. The cache can sometimes become corrupted and cause issues with loading story highlights. To clear the cache, go to your device settings, find the Instagram app, and select the option to clear cache. If the issue persists, try logging out of the Instagram app and then logging back in. This can sometimes resolve issues with loading story highlights. To log out, go to the Instagram app settings. Select the option to log out, and then log back in with your username and password. Additionally, check if the story highlights are set to public or private. If they are set to private, only approved followers will be able to view them. Make sure the story highlights are set to public if you want everyone to be able to view them. It is also a good idea to check the Instagram server status to see if there are any known issues that may be causing the story highlights to not load. You can check the Instagram server status on their website or through a third-party website that tracks server status. Finally, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Instagram app. This can sometimes resolve issues with loading story highlights. To uninstall the app, go to your device settings, find the Instagram app, and select the option to uninstall. Then, go to the App Store, search for Instagram, and install the app again. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue with Instagram story highlights not loading. Remember to always keep your app and device updated, and to check for any known issues with the Instagram server status.